Hello and welcome to yet another video here on the channel. I am watching Junior Lumberjack eating pizza and
Madame Lumberjack.
Madame Lumberjack. Madame, tomorrow will be the snowfall of the century. Allow me to demonstrate.
Don't go for the pizza, dude. Okay.
Here we can see that they estimate that it will come 41.4 centimeters of snow. Here we are, and we will be in the
Thick of it.
centrum.
The thick of it.
Yeah.
Shit, that was hot.
So we shall see tomorrow morning. The plan is to get up early
Nothing.
in the morning, 2:00 a.m.
Are you getting up at 2?
Yeah, because I'm a man,
I'm aware of that.
not a woman.
If you're
So-
a woman, you'd get up at 1.
Huh?
If you're a woman, you'd get up at 1.
Yeah, women. We will see tomorrow morning how it looks. So I'm gonna go to bed and wake up 2 hours after I got up.
Before you got up.
Yeah, that's how men do it. Stay tuned for more.
Action.
Today we are expecting a big snowfall that I thought could be of interest to you. Right now it's 2:45 in the morning. Wind is starting to pick up for sure. I'm gonna go out and put some pulp on, so yeah, see what happens in this weather conditions we are experiencing. Okay, we're now gonna try and go to Sauna Swamp. Bastuträsk. Bastuträsk. See how that goes. If we can see the road all the way, maybe, hopefully. Still snowing and blowing. It's still on my way to Sauna Swamp. Probably not the best day I've ever had behind the wheels. But yeah, kubiken ska in. The cubic needs to be delivered. But the plan is to go back and get some timber to the mill. Still haven't decided if I'm gonna do that, because we just need to see how much snow it is when we get back. Make a judgment call then. Almost the entire road filled with snow. Living the dream. Someone's getting towed. Closing in on Sauna Swamp. Just gonna get rid of this pulp and then go back. Oh, look, a car in the ditch. Hello, hello. Me and Dexter are waiting to lossa, unload the trailer, and I am heating up some coffee in the microwave. So good times. Here we got some reindeers. It's a beautiful animal, but it's not the brightest animal in the world. Ja. Ja, är det renar? Ja. And Dexter doesn't like them. Obviously. Now I am where I came out from the woods, and this is how it looks. Which there's a car. A guy coming. Pissed. Yeah, talked to the guy and he said no. It's a bad idea to try and go to that place again, so I'm just gonna try and find my way back home and end the day. Working with the power lines, so yeah, the plan that I had was to go a little bit further inland because the snowstorm would hit the coastline the most, but apparently I did not go far enough. I didn't expect this area to get this much snow. So yeah. This is supposed to go on for, well, the entire day basically, so we shall see what they will do this afternoon and evening and upcoming night, if they have anywhere to find some timber or pulp, any wood. I don't know. It's been quiet on the phone. So it's now 11. So it's been 9 hours. Yeah, 9 hours since I started today. So it's not going to be that much more action from me and Dexter today. but I hope that I got some good footage from today's blizzard snowstorm, and that you liked it. And thank you all for subscribing. This channel is growing, and that's making me really happy. So, Mr. Lumberjack, me, signing out from the northern parts of Sweden. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.